Mon 3D-spil interessant.
Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart.
Saktin na kaya bukas. Spilin naman na kayo ako na.
Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom?
I am whatever you want me to be, Fluffy.
Is there a Phantom around here?
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Can't believe! First mission in forever and my cover's blown!
Phantom? Is Skid? Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? Had to be Phantom.
Suminggan po tupisi. Thank you.
Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission!
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names! You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the Resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
You resistant. Nó là tụi you chuyện gì vậy? Tụi you kinh là tụi rắc đặc chủ. Devin optok sa rắc xin đặc chủ. Pagit Jim. Finish.
There has to be something around here I can use to reach Phantom.
Ano si Kurt? Saka si Babo.
Don't mind if I do.
No secret. Lati money. Money.
Up here, new guy! Come on!
Just a moment. I'm back.
Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it?
Invisible. Yay.
Hey, wait!
There he is! The fuzzball from the club!
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You We'll just get to safety.
Another resistance number! I will make the Emperor brittle! Distance and kill!
Buzzer. One more time. Yeah! Sorry. Nah. Okay. Thank you. Hey, cho kami no money.
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy and cash doesn't temporarily exist.
Chi bọc trời đi anh.
Jump, Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest.
Slow motion. Champion, có rồi.
You quit?
How is it okay for you to talk and not me?
My voice is lower.
What?
Want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash. What's up? Phantom Dash.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
It's not safe here. Just stay close.
Double kill. Bitch. Nah, secret. Yep.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop?
Easy.
I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Ah,
I must remember to polish my and I'm here to blow this
thank you. My football ball. Hello, headshot. Anti-boss. We go in. Okay. Up there. That goes. Ba-da-ba. Come here. I know this.
Hold on, honey. Are you headed to the room? You should use that rare titanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first.
Oh, ka.
All sales are final, honey.
Makingituray ka. At ikituwa ka mo. Gusto niyo ako na 친구 sa kaksindanak. Stuga.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The nefarious day spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Looks easy enough.
Na. Hompas siya to kinawa na.
Citizens of Nefarious City, this is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we need to talk. The
Sorry.
resistance is growing collection of citizens who are sick and tired of your diabolical dictatorship.
Honkanacığım o kadar da yakas.
Unauthorized squishy detected.
Yep.
And I'm here to blow this party up.
Checkpoint.
Is that really necessary?
Ah! Sorry. How?
You know what? Forget the code. Actions speak louder than words.
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Wow, where'd you learn how to go? Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here? That'll work.
Yes, she is.
All right. All I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer.
아웃이 맞나요? 저 트럭부가.
Great, fine.
I have been sick. Their evasion is a criminal offense.
Don't make me save you.
Chuan ka magkakapagkatong na ito ni. I hate you too. I like you.
Eradicated? I better head to the loading platform fast.
Yeah.
Hey, Ratchet Clank, I'm working here. We got a million Emperor Nefarious commemorative statuettes to ship out tonight, plus that missing raritanium shipment to find. Tuesdays, am I right?
Absolutely.
No. Nasibis ras. Just a moment.
How'd this get here?
Siokkan en ampas syyä. Nah.
Spybot must have Omega-level secrets inside of it or something if everyone's going after it. The loading platform must be just ahead.
Mandatory 23-hour shift policy. Production is up 200%.
But 0% takta jo 0% sılım.
My sensors detected deviant.
Sensitivity.
Knowing your work will help spread the Emperor's splendid visage throughout
Inside.
the galaxy.
Ah, here he is.
Research shows work environments are great for teamwork.
The Emperor affairs.
They like work.
Nakadalawa sakto.
Boom! That spybot's mine.
Sweet release.
Na. Sama sa akin.
Ha! Well, look at that.
You found a resistant spy box! Hooray! They contain intel on different planets and plans for a secret weapon if you collect enough of them! Please report any suspicious resistance
Aksan
activity
minita nga na magkibaya ako nakapag-skate. So,
to the nearest security personnel.
so kung i-access.
Aha! That has to be the access console.
Cutting in line is against the law.
Where did you even come from?
So much aggression for one so small.
What the yikes? Yikes! Yikes! Oh, wow. Oh no.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die.
Am I throwing on you yet?
You will regret this insolence, rebel.
Wow!
Not again! At least it was a round trip. Come on!
Ay, wala
I am
matay.
trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access console.
Tawag. Hackeringan.
Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
Ratchet. Huh. Seems like a nice guy. I probably just have to delete some files, and then he'll be all set.
Marianat!
There are viruses here? I was training for this. The infection, that virus pod sucking energy from the computer! Hey! Cut it out! Huh. What's with the capsule? Did a virus make that? Some wormers are coming out of that pod? Oh, no, 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 no. I gotta delete them before I'm even more outnumbered.
Hi!
Bye-bye, Nest. I did it! Oh, man! I really... Well... Anyway, looks like the computer is back online.
You did it, Glitch!
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
destroying cannons, and a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only that blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh? After him! No!
I'm coming, Clank. No, 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 no!
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Huh? Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha!
Bring me that lumber!
So, then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Help! We under attack! Anyone?
Mort? What's going on?
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out!
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
Where are you taking me?
I was gonna take you to my hideout, but first I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.
Long.
The fun never stops. The fun never stops.
Long.
Have fun. You're done.
Thank you, bot. Nothing so far. Good.
Great! There's a Seeker-Pete right over my hideout. I haven't been out this far in a while. Got a lot of swamp acid between here and the Mortis gelatonium factory.
Those beetles appear to have no issue with the acidic swamp water.
Speedles, yeah. That's why I'm gonna ride one. Soon as I can get close enough. Oh. This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Okay.
Who doesn't love a day in the sun? Rooting your enemies into the ground with the topiary sprinkler. Spawn a turret that warps your foes into defenseless, trimmable hedges.
Magic, please.
Time to turn some foes into ferns.
lại. Ba 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 ba. Ba da ba 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 ba. Suutama kilsitilariarluun anaqtaulерпуасит пунисиннарнуу писиннарлаарсимассаламассипаа атталлуунбак ус бай бай.